Here, you drop your bag.
My God, guys, we just found a huge python in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look right there.
Oh my God, this is like a 12, maybe 15 footer.
Where's its head?
Right here. Oh no, this is a giant python.
Okay, I see its head, I see its head. Oh my God, its head, I can't even see its head anymore. It's completely, oh my God, guys.
Here, hold 2 lights.
Guys, look at that beast. Oh, yeah.
Connor.
Oh my God, guys. World's biggest python. Daddy's trying to wrap around you and don't let him.
No, he's good.
You want me to get the bag?
He ain't fitting in the bag.
What are we gonna do?
Connor, you gotta light it.
Oh yeah, oh! That's a nice mouth.
I'm just trying to wear him out. Did you get all this?
I'm still recording.
Yeah, but remember how before the camera was all messed up?
Yeah.
How is it now?
Perfect. Ooh, I just got bit back.
Our first python, guys, and it happened to be a huge one.
That thing's probably like a pro 15 footer.
Yeah, I'd say 10 footer now, but he's out.
This is the biggest python.
Heavy body.
This is the biggest python I've ever seen in my life. And of course, he's starting to wrap around his arm. And of course, my dad has some slick moves. You switch hands. Try to tire him out. What now?
Walk back.
Walk back where?
Back to the car.
Okay. And just got my shoes soaked by running through here.
You can kill the video.
Okay, so we were about a mile out and we were just walking down. I was walking up here on the road. My dad was walking down there. And my dad was like, Connor, get here. There's a big one. I was like, what is it? Then I just walked down and then look right here. A big, huge python. Boy, that is huge. And man, this is a really good trip so far. So we were actually after the python because they're an invasive species to Florida, and they've been killing like everything. They've been killing all of our gators. They've been killing basically everything, actually. And now we're almost back to our car. We are in the Everglades.
Connor hit the path in front of us.
And we actually are at
We're near Buffalo Tiger.
Yeah, we're near Buffalo Tiger.
All right, Connor, hold on.
Yeah?
Yeah, we caught this snake.
He's
First
like a
one of the
15
night.
footer.
He's probably 12 feet. Very, very fat, very heavy-bodied berm.
I just picked up his tail. I was like, no, how are you doing this?
People freak out and think a snake like this will completely kill you if it gets around your neck. As you can see, I'm alive. It's not killing me. I mean, you don't want to do that with an 8-year-old.
Definitely not. It would. Or a little baby. It'll probably swallow the baby whole. But on the other hand, my dad got this.
But I've also bred these snakes and reticulated pythons for years. Connor, you're shot on the ground. So I know these snakes inside and out. All right, Quinn, you can probably kill the video.
Okay. Catch you guys later.
Oh, there we go. We got an automatic light. You can see how big the snake is. Huge. And now we'll see how far he goes. I'm gonna guess he's probably 13, 14 feet, maybe 15. I mean, he's massive. You can see Connor's all the way down there at the other end. I'm all the way down here.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's big. This is a really, really big berm. Massive catch for the Everglades. What do you think, Quinn?
Woo!
Not bad. And it's not the snake to blame. A lot of people come out here hating on these guys. They didn't release themselves. People did.